Alright, February 6, 2010. We're pushing 2 feet of snow. Got a bunch of branches falling. About to get shovel in the driveway here. Still snowing. Be able to hear the branches falling. Luckily we still have power. Looking up the hill. See, we lost a bunch of branches on that tree. Big branch down in the back. Still coming. You can see Gary's tree over there came down. The branch came down, and this tree out in front here. Might be time to. Alright, well. That's it for now.
And you can label that birthday fun, right?
Yeah.
You cleaning my car, baby? Yeah?
Hey, Kate. Wave. Just a little bit of snow. Thank goodness this wasn't 3 years ago. We'd have been having Kate at home.
With Cole watching, because I wouldn't have been able to get there.
Okay, we have a driveway now. For a little bit. 2 hours of work. And it is coming down harder. About an inch within the time we shoveled, a 2 hour time frame. Got a pathway to the thing.
From the trees.
Yeah, trees are coming down. I filmed those before. I think we had a couple more come down while we were out here. Branches falling around us. Alright. That's it for now.
Hey guys, how's the snow? Speckles. Oh, you're stuck.
This is Kate's birthday party.
And they're playing.
They're playing.